I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive in a DVR. It's very simple. I've already removed the screws on the side of the case. They all have about 7 to 8 screws on them. Take the hard drive. There's 2 connections inside. They only fit one way. They're little L-shaped connections and they snap right in. There's one. There's the other. You mount the hard drive in there. Each hard drive is different. I have a little screw plate that you screw it down to or a bracket it fits in, and you're done. Hard drive installed. Now all you have to do is close it back up, go into the menu and format the hard drive, and you're ready to record.